How to motivate yourselves to study, presented by Great Life. Set study goals. Create clear goals to achieve exceptional grade in exams from now. Then it is easy for you to get motivated to study. When you set goals, you put yourself in the right frame of mind to accomplish your study goals. A goal is often the difference between simply wanting to do your studies and creating a workable plan to actually accomplish your study goals. Improve self-confidence. Believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, anything is possible. You are braver than you think, more talented than you know, and capable of more than you imagine. Keep on studying no matter how hard it is. You can achieve success. Don't waste time. Develop a study plan. A goal without a plan is just a wish. If the goal is important to you, you need to find a way. Identify your future plans in life to achieve your study goals. Work hard. Dream don't work unless you do. Keep studying. You will never regret working hard because hard work pays off. Stay dedicated. Be persistent. Remain positive. Dreams don't work unless you do. Dream big and work hard. Hard work is the key to success. Have self-discipline and put constant effort. The fulfillment of your dreams lies within you. Whether you pass your exams or not, it is yours. Constant effort against weakness and laziness is what matters. So ensure you have self-discipline and put constant effort. Make sacrifices and focus on studies. Sacrifice a few years for a lifetime of success. Success demands for sacrifice of sleep, sacrifice of entertainment, and sacrifice of comfort zone. If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice. Nothing great was ever accomplished without making sacrifices. Never give up. Never give up on your dreams to accomplish your study goal. No matter how hard it gets, nothing in the world can take the place of persistence. Because great things take time. Success is not given, it's earned with hard work. Reward yourself. Ensure every time you reach your goals, you reward yourself and celebrate, which motivates you for more achievements. Dream big. Stay positive, work hard, and enjoy the journey. The best strategy is to motivate yourselves to study. Set study goals. Improve self-confidence. Develop a study plan. Work hard. Have self-discipline and put constant effort. Make sacrifices and focus on studies. Never give up. Reward yourself. Thank you for watching our presentation. Wish you all the best. Expect more. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Live life.